Hi there. Welcome to my channel. In this video I have come up with a new plant called Brazilian spinach. Are you familiar with this plant? This plant is believed to be originated from Brazil as it called Brazilian spinach. However, people in Brazil are very much familiar with this plant. Brazilian spinach, also known as sisu spinach or samba lettuce. People in Brazil view this plant as very useful, and cooked in various ways. It is often consumed raw as salad mixed with tomato, onion, and oil or vinegar. You can also cook this spinach like you do for other type of spinach. Drinking its leaves as a smoothie could be another option if you wish to get all the nutritional value of the plant. Brazilian spinach is basically a leafy vegetable plant with rounded circled, mid-green, and crinkled leaves. The plant easily grows in tropical and subtropical areas and the height of the plant can be about 30 centimeters. If you leave the plant for long without plucking its leaves, it produces small white flowers. You can easily grow this plant from cuttings. Best time for propagating is during the wet season or spring in cooler areas. The plant prefers 50% or more shade, and tolerates a wide range of pH soil conditions, though it needs a high amount of nitrogen, organic matter and water. You should be aware that the plant is very much prone to leaf-eating caterpillar pests and slugs. For shaded condition it is advisable to plant under fruit trees. Before we talk about the health benefits of Brazilian spinach, let's look at what vitamins and minerals the spinach contains. For your information, leafy green vegetables, especially spinach, contain more nutrients than any other vegetable and very little calories. A cup of cooked spinach contains only 41 calories and has exceptionally high levels of vitamins K and A. Like other leafy vegetables, Brazilian spinach contains a lot of health benefits. Let's describe some of the essential health benefits of Brazilian spinach in this video in brief. Cancer is caused by the development of cancer cells that propagate into body tissues. The content of flavonoids in spinach can reduce cancer risk and prevent the development of some types of cancers such as prostate cancer, skin cancer, breast cancer, uterine cancer and some other cancer cells throughout the body. Spinach has a carotenoid content and also vitamin A. Vitamin A is able to help the eyes to maintain the clarity of eyesight. In addition, carotenoid content in spinach is able to prevent the occurrence of cataract disease and macular degeneration of the eye. Types of green vegetables, such as Brazilian spinach, contain magnesium, zinc, phosphorus and copper. This mineral content is able to maintain bone health by keeping the bones strong. Phosphorus in spinach helps to maintain bone flexibility, which prevents bone fractures. Spinach is one of the most excellent vegetables to help you lose weight because of the fiber content in the spinach. Vitamin A in spinach can also function as one of the components of lymphocyte proliferation, or white blood cells. These white blood cells are able to fight disease or infection that attacks the body, so that the body will be protected from various types of diseases. Brazilian spinach contains about 20% of fiber. High fiber contained in spinach is good to prevent the occurrence of constipation, so as to help smoothing defecation. Spinach is well known for its high iron contents. Iron content in spinach can help formation of red blood cells. Eating spinach is highly recommended for people who are suffering from anemia or lack of red blood cells. The content of vitamin C in spinach can help overcoming the problem of facial wrinkles caused by premature aging. Drinking a cup of spinach on a regular basis can solve the problem of premature aging. I have just discussed some of the most significant health benefit of spinach, though there are many more health benefits of eating spinach regularly. It is not necessary to get all these health benefits only from Brazilian spinach. You can get all these health benefits from other available spinach too. So, please make a habit to consume some spinach every day. Children, nowadays, very much reluctant to eat spinach. Parents should find a way to include spinach in their meal. I hope you have received some useful information from this video. If you have liked this video, please give me a thumbs up. To get more similar video, please subscribe my channel and press the bell icon so that you can be automatically notified when I upload a new video in this channel. Thanks for watching. See you in my next video.